What is an LLC? How do you get one? How do you set one up? What are the benefits of having an LLC? How do you keep it in good standing? Stay tuned because in this video, I'll answer all those type of questions. So let's first talk about what LLC stands for. It stands for Limited Liability Company, not corporation, but company. And an LLC is simply a business entity, a business structure you can get over here in the US, and that allows for you to have a separate business. And a benefit, we'll go over many benefits, but one of the benefits of having an LLC is having the limited liability protection that comes with it, along with the added tax benefits of being taxed as a partnership. You can be taxed in different ways, and we'll talk about that. But an LLC really is a business entity where you're able to separate your business from personal. And even in that sense, that's a benefit in itself. But in this video, we'll talk about the benefits of an LLC, also more information on how to set one up, and I'll even give a bonus on some LLC ideas you can do for yourself now. So stay tuned, take some notes if you need to, and let's get straight into it. Now let's talk about the benefits of having an LLC. One of the biggest benefits of an LLC is the personal asset protection. So when you have an LLC, let's talk about a hypothetical, God forbid somebody comes for your business and they sue your business. They take you to court for whatever reason. And even if they're able to win against your business, if your business is set up properly and they're able to potentially touch your business assets, they should not be able to touch your personal assets. Now, this is a benefit for anybody who may have a lot of business assets, but also a lot of personal assets. So God forbid, like I said, we don't wish this on anyone. But if this were to happen to your business and they touch your business assets, if your business is separated from your personal and the structure is all in place, they should not be able to touch your personal assets. So that's a big benefit of having an LLC. Another benefit, the tax flexibility. So when it comes to taxes, you can really choose how you want your LLC to be taxed. You can choose if you want your LLC to be taxed as a single member LLC because it's just you, or you can choose to have your LLC be taxed as an S corporation. You can choose to have your LLC be taxed as a partnership. And of course, you want to make sure you have the requirements to be able to be taxed as such, but ultimately it's up to you. So there are different benefits for this. One of the benefits of being taxed as a single member LLC, you will be looked at as a disregarded entity in the eyes of the IRS, but that will give you benefits to be able to still claim business expenses, business income like you would as a sole proprietor, but you get that added personal asset protection. If you were to be taxed as an S corporation, that's going to save you from being double taxed if you were to be a C corporation. And the list goes on and on when it comes to tax benefits of just having a business in general. So that's another benefit. One of the other benefits of having an LLC is how easy it is to have credibility with it. So a lot of the times when you are talking with business prospects, clients, people who are looking to do business with you, or people who, buy your products, they're going to take you and your business more seriously if they see those last three letters at the end of your business name. Why this is because people are going to look at it like, oh, this is a legit business. Not saying for anyone who doesn't have an LLC doesn't run a legit business, but it's going to give you that added credibility like, oh, okay, you have your LLC. Oh, this is a separate business from your personal. Okay, I might be more inclined to do business with somebody who has a separate business from their personal. But that is preference, but that does add some level of credibility. One of the other benefits of an LLC is how easy it is to set one up. Honestly, you don't have to do too much. You just collect your basic information, talk about what you want your business to be, how you want your business to be structured, which we'll talk about soon. And you can do this on a computer. You can even do this on your phone, or you could have a professional do this for you for efficiency, but it really doesn't take too long to set up an LLC and to structure it how you want it to be structured. So there's many benefits of having an LLC, and these are just some of them. So moving on from the credibility and ease of operation with an LLC, let's actually talk a little bit about how to actually set one up. So in today's day and age, you have unlimited resources to set up an LLC. You can do this on your own. There's platforms out there such as Busy, or there's different ones such as LegalZoom, where you're able to completely set up your LLC all on your own. If you want a professional to do this for you, this may give you more efficiency, but setting up an LLC really isn't that difficult. All you need is really a few things. So one of them is a business name, okay? You want to know what your business is going to be called. You want to know if that business name is already taken. You might need to do some research just to see if whatever you want to name your business is taken or available. But you can get creative with this. This really should get you excited onto having something that really is your own when you can name it pretty much whatever you want. Also, you want to file your articles of organization. So with this, it's pretty much sending, paperwork, if you will, but information about you and your business and how it's set up. That's going to be filed usually with your state, wherever you're setting up your LLC in. And it really doesn't take long to generate that as well. An optional type of paperwork is an operating agreement. You don't necessarily need one. It could help, especially if you do have partners in your LLC. And I would recommend it if you want to have more structure in your business and pretty much have a business plan already in place. So an operating agreement is pretty much going to be able to write out your management structure, write out how your organization is organized. And it's not necessarily needed, but it can help for sure. And also another thing you want to get for your LLC is an EIN. So an EIN, an employer identification number, you can get that on the IRS's website or have a professional do that for you. And that's pretty much the identity, the legal identity of your business. And that's definitely needed, especially when you start paying taxes for your LLC. Before we get into how to keep your LLC in good standing, I'm gonna give a quick bonus on how you can set up a business right now. So of course, I recommend going along with a company that can do this for you, especially if you're a business owner and you want to be a boss. You want to get used to people doing things for you in your business. But if you want to do it on your own, you definitely can do so. So, you can go on to Busy or LegalZoom or get in touch with a firm or a company that can help set up your LLC for you. But a business idea you can take advantage of right now, and say it's during the holidays, right? You can have an idea where you want to deliver Christmas trees, right? So Christmas trees, everybody has one. Well, not everybody, but most people have a Christmas tree during this time of year, during the winter, during the holidays. So some people don't mind going out and about and getting their own Christmas tree, but say that you want to make it easier for people. You can deliver trees on your own, right? You can charge however you want for it. It's a convenient service, so you may find some people who want to pay for that convenience. And you can use an LLC to benefit from separating business from personal. There's many tax benefits in just operating a business, whether you have an LLC or not. But that's a quick business idea you could take advantage of during the holiday season. Now let's quickly talk about how to keep your LLC in good standing. So it really is a case-by-case type of situation, depending on whatever state your LLC is in. So you want to make sure you do your research or get in touch with a professional that can keep you informed on the state requirements of how to keep your LLC in good standing. Some states may require you to file an annual report. Some states may not. It really just depends on whatever state your LLC is formed in. But one of the biggest things you want to make sure you do is stay tax compliant. LLCs are great benefits mainly for personal asset protection and also credibility. And whenever you do, take advantage of an LLC, you want to also make sure you're taking advantage of the tax side as well. One of the biggest things, like I said earlier, is to make sure your LLC is separating business from personal. That really is going to help with the credibility and good standing of your LLC. And also make sure you pay your taxes in a timely manner. So you may have to pay your taxes, quarterly, pay estimated taxes, or you can still just pay annually. It really just depends, but get in touch with a professional, an accountant, a business consultant that can help you know exactly how to keep your LLC in good standing. And that's it. Honestly, I didn't want to make this video too long, mainly because LLCs are pretty straightforward. It may seem like a lot, especially if you're overthinking, but I encourage anybody watching this video to just take that first step. You don't have to do everything all at once. Even if you feel like you need to, just take it one step at a time. Once you take that first step, it gets to be easier to take that next step. And how we like to help people take that first step or whatever next step they need to take is by having a free consultation. So my accounting firm, D. Howard & Associates LLC, provides free consultations for business owners, startups, or anyone looking for answers when it comes to finances, accounting, and business. So the link is actually in the description, so check that out. Book a time. It doesn't take long to really book at all, and the call is super quick too. You can go into it, ask any type of questions you need to ask, and we'll give you some type of answer and direction. So stay tuned, like, comment, and also subscribe for more videos on the way, and I will talk to you guys later.